Hello and welcome to GoNerd. Google has recently released its Android 12, which is Android's no cone. Also, on the other hand, OnePlus also tried to release OxygenOS 12 on the same date, just to showcase their name on the Google event. But they failed. This is Shreyas from GoNerd, and today we are going to talk about all the changes and how OnePlus failed to release their first OxygenOS 12 update. So, let's get started. So the update which OnePlus released is in beta 1 right now, which is OxygenOS 12, and it's available for only two devices, OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. It's not available for OnePlus 9R. Wait, it's not even available for 9 and 9 Pro. It was available because the link is down now. Many of the users are facing the issue that their phone is getting bricked. It's going into the boot loop, it's just restarting and nothing is going on the phone. So OnePlus has to take down that link, and right now there is no OxygenOS 12 on any of the OnePlus devices. So OnePlus just released it for the namesake so that their name should be on the in the Google event, but now OxygenOS 12 is not there to download anymore. Some of the users have downloaded it and some of the users are still facing the issue. So today we will see what are the changes, and for the users who have already downloaded OxygenOS 12, you can downgrade to OxygenOS 11. We'll also talk about that, and we'll also see which are the eligible devices which will get OxygenOS 12. So as I said, it was only available for OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. And for the users who have downloaded it, you could see some changes. Not as good as Android 12, but there are some changes. More bugs than the changes. So firstly, you would see a new animation on the OnePlus logo. It's kind of good, I liked it. But that's the main thing you see first when you install OxygenOS 12. After that, it's a mess. So once you update to beta 1, if you're lucky, your phone will start and it will be good, but if you're not, it will be in a boot loop. It just keeps on restarting. But if you're lucky and if it starts, you would be able to see further steps. You will have to set up your device from the scratch. Even while setting the device up, you will face the restart issue. The phone might get restart again. But if you pass through it, you would be able to see the laggy and unoptimized OS for OxygenOS 12. It's not looking good. I mean, look at Google. They have released their beta version and it's so good that you can use it as your daily device. But we cannot say it with the OxygenOS 12. It's buggy and you cannot use it as a daily device. Nothing works properly here. Even OnePlus says about their bugs on this OxygenOS 12 update. There are video call functions which are not working, biometrics features are not working, you cannot face unlock or fingerprint unlock your phone, that's not working. Many of the apps are not working properly, and most important thing, the system is not stable at all. The notifications are not properly aligned as well. You can see that the text is going under the icon, but it's not properly aligned. So what are the changes you see? There is a new recorder app which is exclusively from OnePlus, and that's the only thing which you can see on the OnePlus device. Rest other things, they have taken the Android 12's volume slider to their OnePlus device. That's the thing you can see, that's the change you can see on the OxygenOS 12 update. The volume slider is the same as Android 12. After that, the widget panel is as Android 12. It's in one place and it looks good. So that's the change you can see on the OxygenOS 12 update. You will also see the picture-in-picture mode. When you use YouTube or any of the supported applications, you can use the picture-in-picture mode. You can interact with it quite differently. You can zoom in and zoom out with a pin gesture. You can also double tap the video. You can move it to the right and left where the video will be turned on. You can still hear the music and you can use your phone while the video is playing. There are other changes in the settings app too, but it's not smooth. There is a new gesture which will activate the Google Assistant when you press and hold the power key. That's from Android 12. OxygenOS 12 has that feature now. Also, there are new animation gestures which you can see in the settings, just like the Android 12. Also, like Android 12, the notification shade is also great. It's not pitch black anymore as of now, but it's great. So other thing you can see is a splash screen. Whenever you open an app, you can see a splash screen for that app. So it's mandatory for all the apps on Android 12, and you can see it on the OxygenOS 12 update also. So there are also some features which OnePlus is bringing. That's called the OnePlus Theme Store. It's in the works right now. It's not official. OnePlus just took the feedback from the users to see what user wants. So they might bring the OnePlus theme store like Samsung or other devices which already have that. So they might do that, where you can change the color, theme, or icons, or any other thing on your device. So that's the OnePlus theme store they are bringing. But I don't think so. They will bring it sooner. It will take time, as the trend of OnePlus right now. And by the way, if you're new to channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe. It will help my channel to grow. So let's go further and talk about what are the devices which are eligible to get OxygenOS 12, that is Android 12. So all the devices till OnePlus 6T will get OxygenOS 12, that is OnePlus 9, 9 Pro, 9R, 8T, 8 series, 7 and 7T series, and 6T series, also OnePlus Nord. So these are the devices which will get OxygenOS 12 update. Unfortunately, OnePlus 6 users won't get the OxygenOS 12. They will stay on OxygenOS 11 whenever OnePlus releases it. As of now, OnePlus 6 users are still on OxygenOS 10. You will get OxygenOS 11. That's the major final update for you. Even if OnePlus had promised OxygenOS 12 till OnePlus 6T, I don't think OnePlus 6T users will get it sooner. As per the trends are going, OnePlus has become lazy to give the software updates to their older versions of the phone. According to that, OnePlus 6T series or OnePlus 7 or 7T series will get the update by the next year, not sooner than that. So I don't know if you can wait for it, but that's what it is. So now, for those people who have already updated their OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro to OxygenOS 12 and they have stuck in boot loop or not liking OxygenOS 12, here's how you can downgrade it to OxygenOS 11 again. So first of all, you will need to go to this site. I'll leave the link in the description below. After going to the site, you will have to download the files for your devices particularly. That's the downgrade file, and you will also have to download this application. These two files are necessary to downgrade it to OxygenOS 11 again. So the very first step you need to do is to format your phone completely. After you format the phone, just plug in your data cable to your laptop directly and copy the files, both the files from your laptop to your phone. After that, you just need to install the APK file. Once you do that, it will open as a setting file. So you will have to click on the gear sign, and after that you will see the local upgrade file there itself, which is for OxygenOS 11. That's the downgrade file. Once you click on the file, it will install the OxygenOS 11 on it. You just need to confirm and reboot the device. It will downgrade your phone to OxygenOS 11 again. And that will work smoothly as it was earlier. That's all. As of now, I won't recommend you to install OxygenOS 12 again on your device, as it will break your phone and your phone will be like a mess. So do not do it. Just stay on OxygenOS 11 and wait for further beta versions. If you are already upgraded to OxygenOS 12, I just showed you how to downgrade it to OxygenOS 11. You can follow that. I'll keep on checking new beta versions for OxygenOS 12. So if you don't want to miss that video, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss that future videos. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go learn.